Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to learn about how we can make the online simulation in Weintek HMI without HMI in Winproladder software. Winproladder software is choosing for the Fatek PLCs, and we will simulate our Weintek HMI with the Fatek PLC Winproladder software without HMI. How we can test? If we don't have an HMI, how we can simulate our program with the HMI? So let's get started. First of all, we will open our Winproladder software, and here we will create a new program. First of all, we will make here program. After we will go to the HMI software. So just click it on the new file and you can click the new project. Very simple and easy method. Here you can create your new project, edit. Here you can use your PLC model series, and here you have to be choose your points, how much points you have PLC, you can any choose, no problem. And which is the model of the MA or MC, I will choose MA. Random any you can choose, no problem, and click it OK, and just click it OK. Just for the learning purpose. When you making the original program, after you have to make the setting little different. Here I will take one input address, an example M0 I will take, and here we will take one output Y0 for an example, and click enter. And if you like to make it this one latch, so just you can type it here, take the close contact, sorry, here close contact we have to be type for the M1 for an example, and here you have to be take the open contact of the Y0, because of you like to be make the Y0 latch. And this link we will be make it here down, sorry, yeah, and this we will make the simulation. And when you make the simulation, after you have to make the run PLC. But before this running PLC, one setup you have to be must be check it here, setup simulation. When you go to the setup simulation, you have to be must be this one check mark, and this use this TCP, not use this serial, use the TCP and click OK. And now your PLC is online, and we using this 2 bits M0 and M1. So when we make it this one on, our that one is Y0 will be hold, and when we give the signal at M1, after this our Y0 will be off. So this program finished, and let's we have to be go to the EasyBuilder Pro, and here we will be create also a new program. This will be finished. Just from the start I will understand you. Any model you can choose. I am choosing this is MT6071 IP, and click enter. And here you can choose this one landscape mode or portrait, and you can choose, that's nothing issue, and click OK. Wait for some seconds, because the EasyBuilder is creating a new project. And as this window will be appear, after you have to be here your HMI, and here you have to be set your IP. You can see what's the IP of your here 192.168.100.68. So here we have to be choose the new device, means Fatek PLC. So very simple, this you can click it here, and here all models you can find. Just that's down you can click, after you can see this is Fatek Corporation, and here you have to be see the model FBS series, that's I'm choosing. And next you have to choose this one RS232, you have to be choose this Ethernet. And when you choose this Ethernet, after you have to be go to the settings, and here you have to be change your IP address. I will same address will be put, which is I am put in the HMI 100.68, right, and click it OK, and again click it OK, and again click it OK, and you are now complete. And here you like to be change your color, any color you can choose as per previous videos already explained. For an example, this color we will be choose, and here we will create a sum program. I will take one bit, an example, this is an take momentary bit, and here we will be address, give the M0 and click OK, and this button will be placed it here. And if you like to be some type uh, returns sorry text, you can type it here, no problem. And this size you can create here, already I explained in previous videos, I think so. This is would like to explain. And one we will take the lamp, and here this will be take our lamp is 50, so this we can click it here. This size you can increase, this depend on your choice. And one we will be take one more bit, Control C and Control V. This 2 bits we will be place it here. So that one we have to be give the address M1, and type is momentary, it's okay, and click OK. And this now go to the project, and you have to be make the online simulation. When you make it this online simulation, it is asking for the save the project. You can save online simulation test, and location where you like to be save, desktop or anywhere you can save, no problem, and click it on the save, and your online simulation will be start. This is first compile, and after it will be make it simulation. Now you can see there is nothing, any error or something. This is our online program is now simulated. As I will press this one M0, after you can see our Y0 is on, and as I press this one, after our Y0 will be off. And otherwise, if you like to be see with our Winproladder software, so also I will show you with the software. Now we can here simulate and test our program. This is our program M0. This bit is our M0. To press this one for the on our Y0, I will click, you can see our Y0 is on, and as this M1 we will be give the signal, I will give this M1 signal, you can is off, right? So hope guys you will be understand about the online simulation, how we can test our HMI without HMI simulate with our PLC program. So if not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.